In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro, a powerful online collaboration tool that offers endless possibilities for team brainstorming, planning, and organization. So let's dive in and explore how you can maximize your productivity with Miro. To start, head over to Miro's website and navigate to your Miro boards home. This is your main dashboard where you can access existing boards and create new ones. The first step is understanding what you can do from this dashboard. Here you'll find directories of all your boards categorized to help you easily manage and locate your workspaces. Now, once you're on the home page, you'll notice the option to select a board you've already created, or you can create a new one from scratch. New users often find creating a new board to be an exciting first step as it presents a blank canvas filled with potential. Take your time to familiarize yourself with these options as they are central to starting your project. Next, let's explore the Recent section on your dashboard. Simply click on Recent and you'll see a list of boards you've engaged with most frequently. This area is particularly useful for finding boards you're actively working on and accessing them without any hassle. Moving on to the Starred section, which is another fantastic feature for organizing your boards. When you click on Starred, you'll see boards that you've marked as important or those you frequently revisit. Using the star feature can help streamline your workflow by allowing quick access to the boards that matter the most to you. Let's return to the Home section now. Here you have the option to create a new board. When you click Create New and select Board, you will be introduced to a variety of templates to kickstart your creative process. Miro offers templates for mind maps, Kanban boards, user stories, and much more, catering to different professional needs. What's more, you have the option to search through these templates to find exactly what you need. This feature is particularly helpful for teams working on specific projects that require particular layouts or structures. After selecting a template, you can begin customizing your board. Feel free to add additional elements from the template library as your project evolves. Miro's flexibility allows you to continuously tailor your board to fit the changing demands of your work. Add sticky notes to capture ideas or assign tasks, insert text and shapes to visualize complex ideas, and use comments for collaborative input from your team. These features make Miro a dynamic tool for collaboration and idea sharing. Once you've completed your project or made significant updates, it's straightforward to save your work. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find the export option, allowing you to download your board for offline access. This is a practical step to ensure you have access to your work anytime, anywhere. And there you have it, an introduction to using Miro. With these tools and features, you'll be well on your way to creating meaningful and collaborative workspaces that enhance your productivity. Thanks for joining and happy brainstorming.